iPhone SE2 will not. But what about the iPhone XE? According to the data presented, the novelty will not be considered the second generation of the original iPhone SE, received the name iPhone XE and thereby become an independent smartphone, which by no means can compete on equal terms with the main line of devices. According to sources cited by Cult of Mac, the iPhone XE will be very different from the iPhone SE. The future smartphone should get a display from edge to edge in the style of flagship devices, but in a more compact body. Presumably, its diagonal will not exceed 4.8 inches, which, given the elongated nature of the screen and the lack of frames, can only fit in the case a little more than what the original iPhone SE had. iPhone XE, an affordable smartphone from Apple, but unlike the iPhone SE, the XE will hardly be called a budget smartphone. The future device will be based on last year's A13 Bionic processor, which will probably be paired with 3 GB of RAM. In addition, the iPhone XE will receive a single main camera, similar to the iPhone XR, which will provide the ability to shoot in portrait mode, despite the lack of an additional telephoto module. iPhone XE, price, obviously, such a set of specifications will simply not allow you to set a low price on the iPhone XE, which most likely starts at $600. Nevertheless, in order to avoid internal competition with the iPhone XR, the manufacturer will have to take a number of tricks, deliberately making the new product a less attractive model.